Hi everyone, in this video I'll be sharing with you all how to make spicy potato gravy restaurant style, which is so delicious that you would want to cook right away. Let's get started and see what we'll need. Here I've taken 6 medium boiled potatoes, 1 medium onion chopped and 1 green chili, 2 medium tomatoes chopped, finely chopped ginger and garlic, about 2 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons of oil, chopped green onion 1/4 cup, and chopped coriander 1/4 cup as well. For dry ingredients we need few fenugreek seeds or methi, 1 teaspoon cumin and coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon cumin and coriander powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon garam masala and about half teaspoon turmeric powder. Heat up a pan in a medium-high heat and add oil. And when it gets hot, add in fenugreek seeds or methi and fry them until turned brownish to black in color. Now it's time to add cumin and coriander seeds, ginger and garlic, once they turn slightly brown, then goes in onion and saute it for 2 minutes. Tomatoes, let's add rest of the spices. Mix everything together and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until it forms a gravy out of onion, tomatoes, ginger and garlic. And now I'm covering it with the lid for a while because it makes the cooking process a little bit faster. Once the gravy is ready, it's time to add boiled potatoes. Pour in some water and you can adjust as per the consistency that you want. Combine everything and cook for a few minutes. For an extra flavor, I'm adding few juliennes of ginger, green onions, and finally I'm sprinkling some coriander leaves on top. And now it's ready to be served. Try this recipe and I'm sure you'll love it. I want to leave you guys with a few tips about this recipe. The first one is to use red ripe tomatoes, and the second one is to use Kashmiri red chili powder. It is not as spicy, but it gives such a beautiful reddish color to the dish. I'll be posting my next video pretty soon, so till then keep watching and let's enjoy cooking. Thank you.